Mr. Gomez, you are charged with driving while intoxicated.
Están acusado de manejar cuando estabas intoxicado.
You're facing up to a year in jail
Mirando que posiblemente hasta un año en la cárcel.
because of the high blow.
Que soplaste alto.
I am now putting bond conditions on you.
Estoy poniendo con
One bad decision, and now the stakes are life-changing. A high DWI, strict warnings, and a judge drawing a hard line. This isn't just court. This is a final wake-up call.
condiciones de fianza.
If you violate these conditions, I'm going to put you in jail.
Si no cumples con estas condiciones, te voy a poner en la cárcel.
I don't know what your immigration status is,
No sé cuál es tu estado inmigratorio.
but if you're not in this country with permission
En este país, con permiso,
and you go to jail
y vas a la cárcel.
and immigration finds you
Inmigración te encuentra,
because they sweep it every single day,
lo están yendo ahí todos los días,
they will put an immigration detainer on you.
a poner una orden de detención de inmigración.
And you will sit there until this case is over with and then shipped off to immigration.
Estar en la cárcel hasta que tú termines este caso y después te van a mandar al centro de inmigración.
Do you understand?
¿Entiendes eso, verdad?
Sí, señor. Pues,
Your first condition is that you're not to use alcohol or illegal drugs.
Puedes tomar alcohol o drogas ilegales.
You will be randomly tested.
Te van a estar checando bien seguido a cualquier momento.
If they call you to go test
Llaman para que te vayan a examinar
and you fail to appear,
y no te presentas.
a warrant for your arrest will be issued.
Yo voy a ordenar que te arresten. Porque
You are also not to drive.
no debes de manejar.
If you do not have a Texas driver license
Si no tienes licencia de manejar
and liability insurance,
y aseguranza,
you are not to drive.
no debes de manejar.
I don't care what your excuse is.
No importa ni cuál es tu pretexto.
Do you understand?
¿Se entiende?
sí, sí, señor.
Yes, sir.
You will be signing a promise with me.
Entonces, firmar una promesa conmigo,
This is an affidavit
un testamento
that you're not to drive.
de que no vas a manejar.
This is the only warning you will get from me.
Es la única advertencia que voy a hablar contigo de esto.
Do you understand?
¿Entiende usted?
Sí, señor, pues.
Yes, sir.
Can you see if he has any prior DWIs?
Yes. No, he has no criminal history.
Okay. Now, you have a lawyer.
Tienes un abogado.
It is your responsibility to stay in touch with him.
Comunícate con tu abogado.
If you fail to stay in touch with him
Comunicas con tu abogado
and he tells me that he can't get a hold of you,
y él me dice que no te puede conseguir,
I will issue a warrant for your arrest.
yo voy a hacerle una orden para tu arresto, para traerte.
All I want are my streets to be safe.
Yo todo lo que quiero es ponerte en este caso pendiente, que no tenga ningún problema y que las calles aquí de Houston no tienen que preocupar de ti. ¿Entiendes eso?
Sí, señor.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good luck.
Buena suerte.
Gracias.
Aquí.
Gilbert, first he has to promise here and then he's going to sign conditions over there. You're 18 years old. Have you been to prison before?
No.
Mr. Romero, do you want to take a guess what in God's name they would do to you in prison? You have had already in September, you get on probation. 3 months later, they file a motion to revoke your probation. They keep you on your probation. They extend, or they did whatever they were going to do. And now 2 months to 3 months later, you're back yet on another revocation. Do you have any clue what they would do to you in prison? You and your 18-year-old self. Do you know what they do to 18-year-olds in our Texas prisons? Take a guess what they do to 18-year-old kids in prison. Take a guess. I read stuff that had me damn near in tears because it was so bad what they do to certain people when they go to Texas prison in Huntsville. They literally treat you like a freaking rag doll, pass around like it's a freaking cigarette. You are chattel, meaning a piece of property. That's only the half of what they do to little young children in Texas prisons. You have now are on your second motion to revoke. It's only a matter of time before they say, you know what? This guy's to prison for 3 years. When that happens, you'll be crying for mommy and daddy. And if you don't believe me, start asking the people in jail. They'll tell you. I'm happy to roll it whatever you want, Jillian.
Let's do that. Thank
If
you,
you want to
Judge.
do a week, 2 weeks, whatever you want.
That's
But
fine.
get a clue before it becomes too late and you become a piece of chattel. Okay.
One bad decision, and now the stakes are life-changing. A high DWI, strict warnings, and a judge drawing a hard line. This isn't just court. This is a final wake-up cone warning. That's all you get. Ignore it, and the system won't hold back. Fix your path now, or face consequences you can't undo at all.